Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to smoke your pork. Also, I'll equally be showing you how to get rid of the hair. This will help you whenever you want to cook pork. This is what you look out for, and if you're among those who love to smoke their meat at home, then you'll be able to go about it easily. You're going to begin by placing your meat on the fire. If you have what they call a grill, then that is okay. Here in Cameroon, we call this iron a grillage. We place it on the fire, so we tend to suspend our pot, meat, cow skin, beef, chicken, everything. We are just going to suspend it from having direct contact with the fire. Now we are just going to place it on low heat, because high heat tends to burn your pork fat as well. So you'll be regulating your heat low, high, and that is perfectly okay. Now look at it. You're going to grab a knife and proceed to clean the back. That is to take away the extra hair or the hair which has been burnt, so you can know how far you still need to go. One thing about pork hair is how discomforting it is in one's mouth. It is not really the best. It can be likened to that of cow skin. Once you tend to eat cow skin, which still contains some hair on it, you don't feel comfortable about it. It is not good. So make sure to learn to burn yours at home properly. Get rid of it by just placing it on the fire. It is going to burn the hair off the meat. Now you're going to find yourself a knife, as earlier on explained or mentioned. You're just going to scrape it off at different intervals. This is so that you tend to know how far you need to go. You're going to do this first before flipping your meat itself, so that it can start to smoke or roast by itself. We are not actually roasting it, we are just smoking it enough for it to be pre-prepared for cooking. Meaning that once you smoke it like this, it is another form of cooking it. And in case you want to let it sit in the freezer, it can sit for longer, because that is another method of preservation. There is a series on my channel on how to smoke or dry meat, fish, snails, cow skin, many more. I equally have videos on how to smoke or dry, rather I'll say I have videos on how to dry vegetables for exportation. Now if you're doing this for exportation, please, you're going to take out the fatty part. Just use a knife to cut it out. You know, most times when this comes in contact with it, it is going to start sweating and oil will be out. Now after doing that, you're going to apply salt to the meat and massage, so it does not taste bland when you want to cook it. Also, this is another form of preservation. I am using salt to help preserve it. When it comes to storing pork meat for long-term use, you should know that the excess oil in it is a contributing factor to its spoilage. I speak for storing for exportation or out of the freezer for long-term use. Massage with salt properly and proceed to transfer back to my grill on extreme low heat. It is the oil from the meat that is igniting this fire, but it is not a problem. So after doing that, this is what I have. I'm going to put in the freezer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again.